Special thanks again to our sponsors. I want to remind you our event schedule and our newsletters and other information is available on our website, http://li.financialexecutives.org. I want to remind you again, our next event is Wednesday, May 22nd, 8 a.m. in the morning at the RXR Corporate Center, 68 South Service Road in Melville. Our topic will be the capital markets with 3 high-profile investment bankers. Remember, you students, you're all allowed to come free, so come and join us. That's more connections for you, and you probably picked that up along the way tonight. Mike is who you know more than anything else. Our next event after that will be in June, and for our members again, join us at our CFO roundtables. Then our next 2 will be May 14th and May 21st. Thank you all again for attending.